Please, I'm not a poopy pants. That's right, poopy pants.
What is that?
What are those?
Those are my chocolate!
Yes! 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 I got 2 free tacos!
I spilled lipstick in your Valentino bag.
Oh, you spilled lipstick in my Valentino white bag!
Flamingo! Yeah!
Did I get anything out of this experience? No. It was completely and totally uneventful.
He kissed a guy.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Didn't. Did not.
I could break this tie? He totally did.
Wah 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 wah. Yes. Yee.
When we go in this restaurant, you are 12. Mom, I am 18. And would you like a kids menu? Yes, I do.
And after that, he goes, I wish you were never born, and that's why I don't go home for Thanksgiving anymore. Anyways, I got a double.
What are you two doing? Stop that. Whoa.
You either buckle down and do your work, or you'll end up at McDonald's.
We going to McDonald's if I don't do my work?
No.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Just pray that you'll be born with a quirk in your next life. And take a swan dive off the roof of the building.
Oh my god! Oh jeez! Oh my god! Oh jeez! I shouldn't even show up!
Yo, why are you so funny?
Come down today and try some corn, or we will sacrifice your newborn.
Is there anything else you'd want to say to people watching tonight?
My favorite color is blood.
Alright.
Use let's snuggle forever.
Yeah, man, let's do it.
Where's Alter?
Have you ever wanted to play a game with your parents? Well, introducing Beat the Parents, a fun game for the whole family. Hey, Mom! Your turn.
Beat the Parents from Kmart.
This is both of our first time. Are you sure you know what to do? Yeah, just trust me. Okay.
Xbox on!
Not on my watch. Not on my watch.
No.
Young Pharaoh, look at this god body.
Hey man, can I have some beer? Dude, I just want a beer. Dude, I just want a beer, man!
Love is like Beauty and the Beast.
Love is what you are looking at right now. There is no such.
Hey, how much money do you have? Like 69 cents. You know what that means? I don't have enough money for chicken nugget.
Cool, isn't that your ex? What are you doing? Just play cool.
Is that cool?
Nah, that's my pet horse.
1,050, baby! Ain't no one tougher, baby! Ain't no one tougher! Oh, that's so cool!
Shut up. I'm not gonna do it this time.
You promise?
Yes.
Midoriya! ごめんなさい!
Midoriya!
いきます! 僕のヒーローアカデミアラジオ! All right, people!
Everybody understand this?
No.
Yes.
Any questions?
Yes.
No.
Alright, moving on.
That? You're outside?
Is God here?
You know what? He just left.
Josh, go put those
corn dogs back.
You can't make me do anything.
What's the best kind of firework to buy?
Wouldn't you like to know, weather boy?
Where are your parents?
Alright, let's tell each other a secret about ourselves. I'm gonna go first. I hate you.
Let me see what you have.
No!
Hey, bud, have you seen my wallet? What are you doing?
I'm ripping up your money, Dad.
What? Why? Why would you do that?
I don't know, I was bored.
Oh my gosh. You know what? You can go to your room.
Oh, Dad.
How about you go to your room?
Okay. Actually, I was just gonna say that. I'll see you later.
What did you do?
I shaved my eyebrows.
Why did you do that? I don't know.
It's just hard because I like you so much more than your brother.
Dad, I'm right here.
Yeah, we know.
Dad, you know Todd.
The one that actually made the team. You're a disappointment.
Get him angry and he's bound to erupt. Krakatawa!
I don't care about my haters, and if you want to fight me, then fight me.
Alright, campers, we're gonna play a little game called the Name Game. You can go first. My name's Shaka Oofka, and my dad knows God.
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
Getting pulled over. Quick, put these on. License and reg. What the? Nobody's here! Who opened that? Devil car! Devil car!
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Oh my god, isn't it so beautiful? Yeah!
Every time you yell at your kids, put a quarter in your no yelling sock and soon you'll have a weapon.
Have you ever heard the sound of a rubber ball breaking a window? Would you like to?
Form of inspiration.
To be better than everyone, because I hate everyone, and I want to be better than them, and I want them to know.
We want answers.
Do I look?
Dude, have you noticed that your voice has changed?
What? You mean how I sound like a man and you screw like a piglet on helium?
You take that back!
Sure, when you ask me like a man. I am a man! Really? Cause right now you sound like a mouse whose parachute won't open.
Too bulky. Where the heck are you gonna put this thing?
I think it's probably one of the...
Following fat people.
Alright! Enough! Stop it! Stop!
Hit or miss? I guess I never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. Wah! Spin and hit the dab, like Wiz Khalifa.